These are the new Cezanne watercolor pencils. It comes in a 24 set in a cardboard case. The great thing about this case is that it actually folds open and you can easily see all of your colors, and it even comes with a brush. The colors themselves are very, very vibrant. These are very highly pigmented pencils, and you can do a lot with them. You can draw with them like a normal colored pencil, but you can also layer with them and blend and then paint back in with them using a brush to really get a nice wash. But as you can see, these, I didn't even put that much color down, and you get a really, really nice, vibrant color. I also have a piece here that's already been drawn and painted into, but I wanted to also show you that you can just kind of go back in even after it's been painted into, and you can draw back into it. Add some hashing and cross hatch marks, and even add some more dimension. And then of course you can go back in after that and add more water if you want. And then for the last example we have over here, this piece has just been drawn, and you can just nicely take a brush and it becomes this beautiful watercolor painting. Like other watercolor pencils, you can also use it to paint directly onto your painting. By just almost creating your own watercolor sheet. You just draw some of the color out and then wet your brush. And you just have a watercolor that you're painting with. By adding more water, you'll spread your color out even more. And you can really turn your drawing into a painting. Cezanne watercolor pencils are some of my favorite pencils. It's a wonderful set. You can just take it with you. It's got the brushes, the colors, just throw a pad in there and you have everything you need to go and draw and paint on the go.